This is a 2010 Lexus RX 350 with 102,000 miles. Stunning car, gorgeous car, in phenomenal condition. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It has passed our shop with our 125-point inspection. Tires are in great condition. Very, very clean vehicle. Extremely clean. Rear parking sensors, power lift gate, still has the cargo cover. Just a stunning car, gorgeous color. You'll be lucky to find a door ding in this car. It is that clean, no scratches, no dents, no rust. It is running. Like I said, needs absolutely nothing. It has a moonroof. It has power seats, heated seats, air-conditioned seats, memory seats, power locks, windows and mirrors, power telescoping steering wheel. It has navigation. It has a backup camera. Heated and air-conditioned seats. Push button start. 102,000 miles. That screen is not like that. It's the video. I apologize. It is normal. Cream leather in good condition. No cracked dash, no sticky dash that some of these Lexuses have. So this is a 2010 Lexus RX 350, 102,000 miles with backup camera, navigation, heated air-conditioned seats. It needs absolutely nothing, just a gorgeous, gorgeous car.